In front of me is Huawei MatePad 11.6 PaperMatte Edition, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by launching clock and tapping on alarm at the top on the left. Then use this button with a plus at the bottom in the middle. Following that, adjust all of those options however you want to. At the top, set up an hour. Then click on repeat and pick days of the week by clicking on the chosen ones. To save them, hit OK. Now select sound. Click on music on device and pick any song from your tablet to apply it. If you want to, you can also use one of those sounds instead, like Hawaii. Go back, select label, name your alarm however you want to if you want to, and hit OK. Then click on ring duration and pick one of those options. Lastly, select snooze duration and decide how many minutes your snooze will take and how many times it will repeat. Then choose OK. Finally, you can tap on this check mark at the top right corner. As you can see, after that, my alarm was successfully created. If you want to switch it off completely, use blue switcher next to it. To turn it back on, use the same, now gray one. If you want to make changes to this alarm, click on it, change wherever you want to, and click on the same check mark. If you want to delete it though, click on it one more time, and this time select delete option at the bottom. Confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!